I'm serious. I waited for this for such a long time. As far as flexibles, it's a dream. It really is.
Our saying here at R-Dent's always been that we're a big lab variety with small lab attentions. From the very beginning, we got in printing and milling from the get-go, and that's continued to be a focus of ours, of bringing in technology at a rapid rate. Carbon's definitely one of our most trusted partners that we've had. I think the biggest thing you get with Carbon is its trust and its dependability. I sleep better at night.
I personally have been in the industry for 33 years.
Hello, I'm Greg Guardiola, the Flexible Department Manager at R-Dent Dental Laboratory. And today I'd like to share a few tips and show you a technique to properly adjust Valplast partials.
I've been working with Valplast since I first started, but I think it's just time to make a change. Not only are they great materials, but it's just difficult to use. This, on the other hand, this is a lot different. We're getting a lot of good feedback. Really happy with the translucency of the material, how easy it is to adjust. So we're extremely excited about this material. It's been a long time coming.
There's a lot of opportunity out there in the removable side. I think FP3D works out from a financial perspective, on a labor, and also turnaround time.
It literally is that fast.
The flexibles have always been a big product of ours, but as far as fabricating them, they are very labor intensive. So being able to digitize that product, it streamlined workflows considerably. The more we're growing, the more that we're putting on these printers. So I think when you're talking about scaling and taking on big groups, I don't know how you can do it any other way.